Good afternoon. This is WASSCE CRS year 2019 past question. Question number 31 says, the temptations of Jesus were made to dash A. Make him the Son of God, B. Prepared him for his ministry, C. Help him to overcome the devil, D. Make him a wonder-working Messiah. The correct option here is option B. Prepared him for his ministry. So, as we all know, Jesus Christ was tempted 3 times by the devil. The devil tempted him 3 times, and this we find this in the New Dispensation, particularly in the book of Matthew. It's recorded in the book of Matthew, chapter 4, verse 1 to 11. So the devil tempted him 3 times, or he was tempted 3 times by the devil before he finally or eventually start his ministry yet on earth. So the 3 temptations that he faced actually prepared him for his earthly ministry. That is the essence of the temptation. The temptation actually prepared for his earthly ministry. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.